Whenever you grow zucchini, pumpkins, any kind of squash, you're going to get squash bugs, and they can be a serious problem. Now right here on the leaf on the zucchini plant, we have a squash bug. That's the adult right there. The adults can be a vector of bacterial wilt, which can flatten your squash plant in just a day. It'll look great one day, the next day it'll just be completely wilted and flat on the ground. These bugs are really, really hard to control. So one of the best ways to control them is to get rid of their eggs. So right here, they lay their eggs on the bottom side of the leaf. They look like little bronze footballs. And the easiest way to get rid of them that I found, I just take some duct tape and form it into a loop, and you can just stick them to the eggs and it just lifts them right off the leaf. Also, when the eggs hatch into small nymphs, the nymphs stick to the tape really well too. So with a little bit of duct tape, you can have completely organic control of the squash bug.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.